Good morning, children. Today I am going to start a new lesson, that is 1.3, Half a Gift. This story is based on Mother's Day gift. Children, have you heard this word before that? Yes, of course. We all are celebrating Mother's Day. So now I am going to read the lesson and you have to listen very carefully and understand it. So let's start. Among some Christians, there is a very good custom. They observe the second Sunday in May as Mother's Day. On this day, mothers receive cards and gifts from their children. A nice custom, isn't it? Here, nowadays, we all are celebrating Mother's Day. But earlier, before that, a long time ago, only Christians are having this tradition. Custom means tradition, or you can say an action or way of behaving that is usual and among people in a particular group or place. Okay, so Christians are having a very good tradition. What tradition? They observe the second Sunday in May as Mother's Day, means in the month of May, second Sunday they are celebrating as Mother's Day. Observe means celebrate. On this day, mothers receives cards and gifts from their children, like we all are giving to our mother. A nice custom, isn't it? Yes, of course, it is very nice custom. Half a Gift is a story of two young brothers, Joe and Nick. Both of them planned to buy some Mother's Day gift for their mother. What were their gifts? Did the gifts please the mother? Read and think. Here, Half a Gift is a story of two young brothers. Two young brothers, Joe and Nick. What was the name of their brother? Joe and Nick. Both of them plan something. What? To buy some Mother's Day gift for their mother. What were their gifts? Did the gifts please the mother? So, two questions are there. What were their gifts and did the gifts please the mother? So, knowing this answer, we have to read the lesson. So, just read and think. The story is narrated by the younger brother Joe. Here, this story is narrated by. Narrated by means told by Joe, the younger brother Joe. I was 10 years old then, and my brother Nick was 14. We thought of buying a Mother's Day gift for our mother. This thought filled us with great excitement. It was to be our first gift to her. Joe is saying, I was 10 years old. That time, Joe was 10 years old and his brother Nick was 14 years old. Okay? So, they thought of buying Mother's Day gift. Just a thought for their mother. This thought, what thought? Mother's Day gift, filled them with great excitement. Excitement means, you can see the meaning here. Strong emotion caused by something pleasant. So, excitement means strong emotion caused by something pleasant. Happy thought means they are filled with happy thought. What thought? To buy a Mother's Day gift. It was to be their first gift to her. Okay? It was their first gift to their mother. We were very poor. Our father worked as a clerk in a small factory. It was with great difficulty that he could meet the needs of the family. But he was a kind and loving father. He never forgot to bring us birthday and Christmas gifts. However, such a thing as a Mother's Day gift never came to our mind because we never got any pocket money. Here Joe is saying they are very poor, means they are belonging to very poor family, they are not having much money. Their father worked as a clerk. Clerk means the person who handle all the office work. So his father worked as a clerk in a small factory, and it was with great difficulty. With great difficulty means very hardly he could meet the needs, mean he could manage the needs of the family. But he was a kind and loving father. But he was a kind, by nature he is very kind and loving father. He never forgot to bring birthday and Christmas gift for them. He never forgot. Means his father never forgot anything like birthday gift or Christmas present to them. However, such a thing as Mother's Day gift, means such a thing like Mother's Day gift, never came to their mind because they never got any pocket money. They never got any pocket money, that's why this thing never came in their mind. Pocket money means small amount of money given to a child by parents on regular basis. Okay? Pocket money means small amount of money given to a child by parents on regular basis. I hope you all are getting pocket money. So they are not never thought of like this Mother's Day gift because they never got any pocket money. But once we had been fortunate, Nick and myself, a small furniture shop had opened near the street where we lived. Deliveries were made to the customer's home by means of an old pushcart. We worked some evenings on this pushcart to get money for our Mother's Day gift. The owner gave us 10 cents each for one round. Sometimes we got a tip also. Here now Joe is saying, but once we had been fortunate, means earlier they are not having money, but luckily Nick and myself, what happened? A small furniture shop had opened near the street where they lived, means the place they are living, at that place only a small furniture shop opened. And deliveries of the furniture were made to the customer home by means of an old pushcart. How they are delivering the furniture? By old pushcart. Pushcart means small cart pushed by hand. Small cart pushed by hand. So they are doing this work. We worked some evening on this pushcart to get money for our Mother's Day gift. They both worked there. The owner of the shop gave us 10 cents. How much money? 10 cents. Yesterday, previous video also I told you meaning of cents. Okay? Cents is a currency, money. Each for one round. For one round, they are getting 10 cents. And sometimes they got tip also. Tip means extra money. Okay? Extra money also they are getting sometimes. So now you can see the meanings. Excitement, pocket money, pushcart, cent. Okay? Now come to the next page. Every time Nick counted his coins, his thin face would brighten up. The joyful thought of the present would bring sweet smile on his face. He had got this idea of the Mother's Day gift from someone at his school. Now Joe is telling us every time Nick counted his coins, means always he is counting his coin, his thin face would brighten up, means make it bright with happiness. The joyful thought, as you know that they both are very excited. So the joyful thought of the present would bring sweet smile on their face. on his face. Okay, so he had got this idea. Who got this idea? Nick got this idea of the Mother's Day gift. From where he got the idea? From someone at his school. Okay, what a pleasant surprise it would be for mother. The joy of giving the present grew in us every evening, and we were almost wild with excitement. Now Joe is saying, what a pleasant surprise it would be for mother. Means they wanted to give a surprise gift. Okay? So the pleasant surprise it would be for their mother. Just they are thinking for that. And when they are thinking the joy of giving the joy of giving the present grew, means rising in their mind every evening, and they were almost wild. Almost wild means wild, you can see here, mad in excitement. Overexcited, like you can say they were almost wild with excitement, mad in excitement, because they just planning to give a surprise gift to their mother on Mother's Day. Okay, so now I'm going to end my video. I will continue with next video. Okay, thank you.